Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix TikTok dark mode option not showing. So if you want to set your TikTok as dark mode like this, like I do, but you cannot find it on the settings. So if you go to settings, there will be an options to turn the display into dark mode. But if you cannot find it, you can just follow this step. So what you need to do is just go back to the home screen of your phone and then find the TikTok app. Long press on it and go to the app info. Okay, so this is the app info for my TikTok, and here you need to go to the storage and here clear cache. Let's try to clear the cache, and you can try open your TikTok again, but if you cannot find it, still cannot find the TikTok dark mode, you need to clear the storage. Try to clear the storage, but after that you need to re-sign in to your TikTok. Okay, so that's the second way. Or the third option is that you can just open the TikTok apps on the Google Play in here. Find it on the Google Play. Then find the options to update if there's any. So that's a tips for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.